Teen Titans, go with your friends. A group of teenage superheroes with very little in common other than their ages surprises the world as an awesome new superhero team. But the friendships they form in the group are more triumphant than any victory.
The original Teen Titans were a group of superhero sidekicks who fought crime together, away from the grown-up heroes like Batman or Wonder Woman. Months after the team broke up, Robin met the magical Raven. She needed help stopping her demon father, Trigon. Robin and Raven recruited the shape-changing Beast Boy, the alien Starfire, and the half-human, half-machine Cyborg, along with Wonder Girl and Kid Flash from the original team. Together, a new Teen Titans was born. They were a great superhero team, but an even greater group of friends.
Friends look out for each other. Raven often worried about one day turning evil because of her demonic family. The other Titans promised they would not let that happen. And when Robin decided he no longer wanted to work with Batman and he became a new hero called Nightwing, the Titans cheered him on. When you support your friends, you are showing them you can be trusted.
Trust is the glue that holds friendships together. It is a promise to always have each other's back. Fighting with friends. Sometimes friends might hurt your feelings or do something that makes you trust them less. All the Titans were upset when they learned their teammate Tara was lying to them and working as a spy for the villain Deathstroke. If a friend hurts you, you might not want to be friends with them any longer, and that is okay. If they apologize, forgive them. Hopefully you won't discover any of your friends are secretly working for Deathstroke or any other villain.
Ooh. All types of friends. The Teen Titans had crime fighting in common, but each one of them had a very different life and background. For example, Robin grew up as a circus performer. His life was completely different than Starfire's, who was an alien princess. Making your own group of friends will help you see other points of view. A point of view is how you see the world around you.
You and your friends could have different skin colors and different religions. Some could have big families, others could have small ones. Some might have a lot of money and live in big houses, and others might not have as much money and live in small apartments. All of these things help shape your point of view. Learning to see your friend's point of view will help you be a better friend. Trust means you know you can count on someone or something.
How silly can you be? You can be as silly as you want to be with your friends. You do not have to behave like you do in the classroom or at the dinner table. Cyborg and Beast Boy loved waffles so much that they decided to play a game to see who could go the longest saying only the word waffles. Waffles, waffles, waffles. Nothing but waffles. The sign of a great friendship is someone who will be silly with you all day long. Waffles.
Friendships are like an extra special family because you find each other and decide to be together. You find a group of friends that like the Teen Titans, you will have those friends for life.
No grown-ups allowed. Cyborg's father built the team's headquarters, the high-tech Titans Tower. Yeah, the high-tech Titans Tower.
Waffles, waffles, waffles.
Waffles. It was a place where they could hang out and relax. You should have your own private space where you make the rules and you get to decorate.
Maybe it's a treehouse you can ask your parents to help you build. It could also be a fort in your bedroom closet. If you do not have your own space at home, that's okay. You can use a spot on the playground or in a library.